So when it comes to drawing on iPad, obviously you would go for the Apple Pencil. But due to the expensive price tag, users always look for an alternative one. And Logitech Crayon is one of the best styluses out there that you can pick after the Apple Pencil. This year, we got an updated version of the Crayon which is affordable and designed to provide a natural writing and drawing experience. The Logitech Crayon 2 offers a range of features including precision and accuracy as well as a comfortable design. But can it be better than the Apple Pencil 2nd generation? Let's find out. First of all, you'll be glad to know that the Logitech Crayon 2 is powered by Apple Pencil technology and has a unique design for durability, but it has a different shape than the Apple Pencil. The Crayon 2 is a bit flatter and wider, which actually helps it to stay exactly where you leave it and prevents it from rolling off desks, whereas the Apple Pencil 2's design is like what you're used to in school. The Crayon 2 is made out of aluminum and is lightweight from the Apple Pencil, but it's a bit chunkier. Both of them provide a comfortable grip for all day long creativity. Moreover, the Crayon 2 has a physical on or off button, so when you're about to write or sketch anything, you have to slide it on. The Crayon 2 also appears to be durable compared to the Apple Pencil 2 with its 4 feet drop protection. The Logitech Crayon 2 and the Apple Pencil 2 are both high-performance digital pens designed for use with tablet devices, especially the iPad. In terms of performance, both pens offer a high level of precision and accuracy when writing or drawing on the screen. They both have pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition, which allows you to get natural and realistic brush strokes while taking notes or drawing. They also have low latency, which means that there is minimal delay between the pen tip and the line appearing on the screen. Both styluses have similar capabilities, such as the ability to select text and interact with the operating system and the ability to switch between writing and erasing modes. The Logitech Crayon 2 and Apple Pencil 2 feature palm rejection technology, which allows you to rest your hand on the screen while writing or drawing without leaving unwanted marks. This makes it more comfortable to use them for longer periods of time. The Apple Pencil 2, on the other hand, has additional features such as a double tap gesture, which allows you to quickly switch between the current tool and the eraser, and magnetic attachment, which allows you to attach the pencil to the side of your iPad for easy storage and charging. And in terms of compatibility, the Logitech Crayon 2 is compatible with a wider range of iPad models and other Android tablets as well, while the Apple Pencil 2 is only compatible with select iPad Pro models, iPad Air and iPad Mini 6. So with Crayon 2, you can share creativity on both iPad and Android tablets, but with the Apple Pencil 2, you have to stay limited with some iPads. In terms of battery life, the Crayon 2 comes with USB-C for quick and reliable charging. On the other hand, the Apple Pencil 2 is completely wireless and can be magnetically attached to your iPad to juice it up. The Crayon 2 has a battery life of up to 7 hours of continuous use, while the Apple Pencil 2 has a battery life of up to 12 hours of constant use. The Logitech Crayon 2 is available at $69.99, while you can buy the Apple Pencil 2 for $129. This means that the Apple Pencil 2 is more expensive than the Logitech Crayon 2, even though the Crayon 2 supports the same Apple Pencil technology. In conclusion, the Logitech Crayon 2 and Apple Pencil 2 are both great options for digital drawing and note-taking. The Logitech Crayon 2 offers a more affordable price point and compatibility with a wider range of devices, while the Apple Pencil 2 offers a more premium feel and greater precision. So that's all for today, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you find this to be helpful. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want more videos like this on your feed.